Hello kids, I am Priyanka. I'm back again with my new big chapter of Beats in Memoir. Chhattisgarh Panthi dance form is famous all over the world, and has brought much acclaim to Indian folk art. The credit of popularizing Panthi dance goes entirely to Devdas Banerjee. Banerjee Banjari has showcased the cultural heritage of his community, state, and country and won several awards for his performance on the platform of the world through his commitment. Devdas was born on January 1st, 1937 in Sakara village in Tamatri district. His father's name was Bodhram but Phul Singh Banerjee, whose surname he adopted, raised him. The boy was exposed to Panthi by a twist of fate. As a youth, Banerjee was a gifted kabaddi player. As a result of an injury sustaining during a match, he had to stop playing the game. Banerjee then shifted his attention to Panthi dance. He had to practice hard and strengthen his body because the dance required strength and vigor. The Bhilai Steel Plant (BSP), where Banerjee worked as a dance teacher in the education department, encouraged him to pursue his interest. Banjari brought much fame and honor to BSP over a span of 2 decades. The Panthi dance form belongs to Satnami community in Chhattisgarh. The Satnamis consider Guru as their Guru, Guru Ghasidas ji as their Guru. Panthi dance is a medium through which they honor their Guru. Banjari had said in an interview, it's a prime responsibility of individual to maintain their body and wealth so as to properly use God gifted to do good and discharge the responsibility in correct manner. In Panthi, the dance performed various mudras such as Jai Stambha, Dharti Pranam, and Phool Aparnan. The rich culture and legacy of Satnami community is displayed through traditional customs, and more importantly, the dancer energy. The ghungru, dhoti, and the kurta and the kanthi comprise the costume of the dancer. Indigenous instruments such as mandar dhol accompany the artist in his performance. The artists have worked with Habib Tanvir New Theatre and had toured several countries for performance. His role in Chandradas Chor, a film by Shyam Bengali, has received critical acclaim. Banjari had performed in many of the Bharat Utsav festival as folk art representative of India. He had toured over 60 countries in his career spanning 30 years. He had received the Chief Minister Gold Medal in 1972, the President Gold Medal in 1975, and countless other fluctuations. Tragically, Devdas died in a car accident in 2005. His legacy, however, continued as several disciples trained by him continue to stage Panthi performance all over the country and abroad. Banerjee's commitment to Panthi was unparalleled and decided his life to popularize the rich tradition and custom of his community and state. Writers Group. Thank you.